Hello everyone! Today, we're going to draw Peppa Pig doing one of her favorite activities. Playing in a muddy puddle. With her big smile and trusty yellow boots, Peppa is making the biggest, muddiest splash ever. Let's grab our pencils and create this adorable masterpiece together. Peppa Pig says jumping in muddy puddles is her absolute favorite thing to do. Peppa Pig has opened her eyes. Looking around is something she enjoys doing. Have you ever splashed in muddy puddles like Peppa? Did you have fun? What do you think Peppa is saying as she jumps? Wee or splash splash? Let me hear your guesses. Peppa always invites her little brother George to splash with her. She loves to see how far the muddy water can splash. It's like a fun game for her. After playing, Peppa likes to take a big bubble bath to get squeaky clean. Fantastic work! Our Peppa Pig sketch is ready. Now we're moving on to the fun part, coloring. Let's grab our crayons or markers and make her boots shiny yellow, her dress bright, and the muddy puddle super messy. Her laugh is always the loudest when she's splashing around in puddles. Peppa thinks the messier her boots get, the better the fun. On rainy days, Peppa's first question is always, are there any muddy puddles? She even loves jumping in imaginary puddles when there's no rain. How many puddles do you think Peppa can find? One big one or lots of small ones? Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Do you think Peppa's splash could go higher than her boots? What do you imagine? Peppa says puddle jumping is better with friends and family, so everyone gets muddy together. Have you ever gotten really messy while having fun outside? Did you laugh like Peppa? Fantastic! Our colorful drawing of Peppa Pig playing in the muddy puddle is complete. Doesn't it look amazing? We did an incredible job. Peppa would be so proud of you. Let's keep drawing together next time. See you soon, Pinky artists.